Hey everybody, it is Dave in here, and I wanted to give you a behind the scenes look at what is in the membership site, or what happens when you purchase a product from me. So after you've placed in your login information and you've got the product, you would just come here to log in, and you would log in with your email address. All right, and then you come here to the post section, and this is just an area where I post the latest videos and new content that's out, right? And so what I like everyone to do when they are first getting started is to just come to the getting started section, and then to see how I want you to go through the program. So the first thing I'd like everyone to do is go through the Piano Fundamentals series. And this is 4 levels of 20 videos. And it just walks you through how to play the piano in a step-by-step fashion. And it gives you a solid foundation. Once you have gone through that, I recommend that you go to the piano workshops and also check out the other courses. And then there are song tutorials that you can work through, and then I believe everyone should attend the Saturday workshop, so that way you can interact with me, you can ask questions, and these workshops are held every 3rd Saturday. So let's go ahead and check out the first thing, which would be the Piano Fundamentals series. All right. And so you would scroll down here to the Piano Fundamentals series. You'd go to Piano Fundamentals Course 1. You would hit it. And then, as you can see, it shows that I've watched it, but you could watch Start Over. And that just gives you the first video there. And then you would just go through all the videos and the quizzes for your courses. All right, so then you would check out course 2, course 3, course 4. And I recommend that people just go through 1 to 2 lessons a week. And that way they can get a really good grasp of the information that is in the course. And then after that, you could check out the piano workshops. And these are the workshops right here. And so you can go through each of the workshops, and these workshops dive deeper into particular content. I like to think of these as the different seasonings that you could add to your music for more flavor, right? And each of these workshops are about 30 minutes to an hour. Some are even over an hour. And you get to hear other students ask questions. And I think sometimes they may be thinking of a question that you haven't thought to ask, but it's the question that you were probably trying to figure out in your mind. So I think these workshops are great because they allow us to interact with one another. And so you can go through the workshops, and then after the workshops, you can also check out the different song tutorials. And so you would come down here to song tutorials, and you could just go through the different song tutorials, and I'm adding new song tutorials every month. All right. And so then you could even check out the piano exercises and charts over here. And so you could just click on that, and then you can go through the different exercises and charts. And there are quite a few over here. Each one of these is a different exercise or a song chart that you could work on. Okay. And I think it's always good to practice your exercises because it's like a discipline. And once you work through these exercises and you get them down, they will really, truly transform the way you play. All right. Well, I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look. There are also some mini courses here, like this 736 Gospel Progression, 6 Ways to Play. That's really a phenomenal mini course. And also, I have a diminished course here that you can check out. It's really great. There's also a Masterclass that's available to everyone that many of you have probably taken, and if you haven't taken, you should take it. And yeah, just this simple guide to ear training, that's actually a course you can download. So just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look. It's really simple, and I'm adding new content every month. All right. And so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at this number right here. All right. Feel free to text me at 682-587-9420, and I will get to you as soon as possible. Well, have a great day.